Now we're going to create our first object attribute by typing self.dimensional_forms equals sign. And that equals sign is actually an assignment operator. It does not mean equals to. That would take two equal signs. But before we add the data, I need to explain what's really happening here with variables, because this is one of the most misunderstood concepts in Python. Variables are not actually boxes that store data as they are often explained to be. Variables are labels, like name tags, that point to data that lives somewhere else in your computer's memory. So when we write self.dimensional_forms equal sign or assign to, we're creating a label called dimensional_forms that will point to our 4D geometry data. And then you see that we're using self.dimensional_forms, not just dimensional forms. The self part refers to this specific simulator object we're creating. If I was talking about myself, I'd be talking about a human, but I'm not just talking about any human, I'm talking about myself. So even if you say she talks about herself too much, I'm still talking about myself, not just any human. So that's the self. By writing self.dimensional_forms, we're saying attach this label to this particular object. Now with that dot between self and dimensional, this is called dot notation. We use a dot to attach attributes to objects. It's like writing your name on your belongings so you know they're yours. If you create multiple simulations later, each one will have its own dimensional forms attribute. The self dot ensures this data belongs to the specific simulator instance. We're not storing data in a variable box. We're creating a reference system that lets our object find and access its data. It's important to understand that there are different types of variables in Python, and they behave differently depending on where they're created. We have local variables. These are created inside functions or methods and only exist while that function is running. Once the function finishes, these variables disappear. Then we have global variables. These are created at the top level of your program outside any function or class. They can be accessed from anywhere in your program. And then there are instance variables. And this is what we're creating right now with self.dimensional_forms. Instance variables belong to a specific object instance. Each simulator object we create will have its own copy of this variable, as we know. And then we have class variables. These are shared by all instances of a class. If you change a class variable, it changes for every object of that class. The key difference is ownership and scope. Our self.dimensional_forms is an instance variable because it belongs to this specific simulator object. But if we created 5 different simulators, each would have its own separate dimensional forms data. And that's why we use self. So it's just telling Python this variable belongs to this particular object instance, not to the class in general, like those kinds of variables, and not to the global program, like those kinds of variables. So scope is extremely important as you're learning programming. So if you haven't yet, go ahead and start this part of the code. Type self.dimensional_forms there, paying attention to your indentation, and I'll see you in the next video.